So here's the step on how to use tags, custom fields, and custom values to segment and store contact info into Zepify IO. So first is how to use tags. So go to your contacts in your dashboard and click on a specific contact. Let's say for example, this one. Find the tag section. So this one. So I have here new lead, VIP client, follow up, high priority, and warm lead. So let's say for example, new lead and VIP client. So as you can see here, it already saved. And also you can add multiple tags to one contact. So this tag is used for status tracking like new lead, book appointment, or VIP client like this. So next is how to create custom field to store specific info. So first thing to do is go to settings. As you can see here, find the custom fields, click custom fields, and click add field. This one. So let's say for example, so it can be check the box, drop down, radio select, or date picker. So let's say for example, drop down or text input or value. So let's say for example this one. So click next. So write your field name. Let's say for example it's your is interested in. So it can be contact, opportunity, or company. Say opportunity. Also you can choose group. Click save. Oh, it's already. So let's say for example referral source. Click save. So the field added successfully. So next is how to use custom values. So in the settings also, click or find custom values, click it, so, and click Add custom value. So let's say for example, their business phone and their value. Excuse me. And click create. So custom value added successfully. So simple way to understand it. Tags is for labels like group quick grouping, and custom fields, it's the contact details stored per person. And custom values is the business information that is reusable everywhere. So that's all for how to use tags, custom fields, and custom values to segment and store contact info in Zapify IO.